Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. Give this video a like, and today we're going to be doing this crazy look. Inspired by Rebecca Martin. She said she wanted an orange lip, and I was going to do like super nude on the top, and then I was like, nah, let's do fun. And let's just say I'm supposed to be meeting somebody to sell them some scrubs. And I have a feeling they're gonna think I'm crazy, but that is okay because I had fun, and that's all that matters. It is self-expression. You're supposed to have fun. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think of this look. If you're the first person to comment on this video, then you'll be shouted out in my next video. Thank you to Rebecca Martin and Miss Esmeralda. I'm sorry if I said that wrong, but I really hope I didn't. I really appreciate you guys commenting on my last video. And when we hit 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. It will be either the blow dryer I got in my BoxyLux and a $40 palette, or a Jeffree Star mystery box, so stay tuned for that. And without any further ado, let's get into this look. Look at what you're saying. Turn around. Look at what you see. My sponge was definitely way too wet, and now it's not like picking up all of the product. That is okay. Turn around, look at what you see. Look at what you say. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of this rust shade right there. I'm sorry. I'm trying to make sure I'm in camera, but I forget. I get too excited about what I'm doing, and I forget. I'll take a little bit more of that color. I'm gonna put it right back where I had it, just to make sure I'm not losing it. Because this is beautiful. Going back into that rusted orange color called Rusted. Going back into the yellow. And then I'm going to take a little bit of red over top of Rusted and just kind of deepen the Rusted color just a tad. And then I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to take a flat brush. Take that color right there. I'll pat this on. going to take some of that dark maroony purple shade real quick, because I did not do that in the beginning. Okay, now that I've got that light orange shade, I'm going to go back into Rusted and put that down. I don't know why I choose to do anything with white liner, because it never works out for me, but I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye off camera and my face makeup, and I will be right back. I love it. I love it. Okay, we're going to go in with that dark maroony shade, like right there. Run that one right quick. Right along the lower lash line. Okay. Now we're going to take that pink, bright pink next to it. What you see, and never ending story. Okay, now I want to do something fun. So we're going to take a little bit of this and a little bit of this and mix them together on my little pan, and I'm going to make a lipstick, or try to. The never-ending story with Mannequin is the base. I've never tried this before, so if it doesn't work, well, then it doesn't work. But if it does, we know it does, so that'll be great. Let's see what we make. Hopefully it's a very pretty orange. I'm going to put this on and then I'm going to try again. It's getting there. Okay, we're going to try this again. Breaking those palettes is hard. Is it orange? On the monitor, it kind of looks orange. In person, I don't know. I look like a crazy person? Okay. That was a long ride. If you guys enjoyed this look, please leave a comment letting me know. Tell me what you think of my eyebrows. Should I do them normal colors, or do you like that I have my eyebrows blonde now so I can do whatever color I want? Like literally whatever color I want. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know how I did in this look or what look you'd like to see next. Remember, if you're the first person to comment on this video, you'll get a shout out in my next video. Bye guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow.